What's up, future millionaires? Ever wish you had a super smart assistant who could tell you exactly what's happening in the market, explain stock trends like your best friend, and help you make money without breaking a sweat? Well, spoiler alert, it exists. It's called ChatGPT, and today I'm going to show you how to use it to up your investing game. If you thought AI was just for robots or coding geeks, think again. This AI can boost your portfolio. Stick around, and let's unlock these money-making secrets together. First off, market research. Normally, you'd spend hours sifting through boring financial news and company earnings reports, right? Not anymore. ChatGPT can summarize real-time financial news faster than your favorite financial podcast. Here's a fun fact. Ask ChatGPT to summarize a breaking earnings report, and boom, it's done in seconds. You get all the juicy details without the headache. The best part? You can even ask it to analyze market sentiment based on news articles, Twitter chatter, or even what's trending on Reddit. How cool is that? Ever tried reading a company's financial report and felt like you were looking at hieroglyphics? ChatGPT can decode that for you. It'll break down balance sheets, income statements, and ratios like PE and debt to equity. No PhD required. You know how everyone says do your own research? ChatGPT is like your personal financial tutor, making that research easy, fast, and dare I say, fun. Next, let's talk portfolio management. ChatGPT isn't just a one-trick pony. Oh no. It can help you assess your portfolio risk, tell you if you're overexposed to tech stocks, or even help you model hypothetical scenarios. Want to know what happens if you shift 10% from bonds to crypto? Just ask ChatGPT. It's like your portfolio's crystal ball. Segment 4, Technical Analysis and Chart Patterns for Dummies. Staring at stock charts can feel like deciphering alien language, but with ChatGPT, you can finally say goodbye to that feeling. It can break down chart patterns, candlesticks, moving averages, RSI, whatever technical mumbo-jumbo you need help with. ChatGPT simplifies it, so you'll be talking technical like a pro in no time. Want to know if a stock's heading up or down? Ask ChatGPT to help analyze trends. I'm telling you, ChatGPT sees things before they happen. Almost like a market Jedi. Segment 5, Algorithmic Trading, not just for geeks. Algorithmic trading sounds fancy, right? But you don't need a computer science degree to get started anymore. ChatGPT can explain algo strategies like mean reversion or trend following in simple human language. Heck, it can even guide you on how to backtest your strategies. You can literally be sipping coffee while your algo works. How about that for passive income? Segment 6, Macroeconomic Insights, simplified. And let's not forget about macroeconomic analysis. GDP, inflation, unemployment, central bank policies. It can get overwhelming. But ChatGPT explains economic indicators and their impact on your portfolio in bite-sized nuggets of wisdom. Want to know how rising interest rates will affect your bond investments? Or what a trade war could mean for your tech stocks? ChatGPT's got your back. He's got your... Now for the best part. ChatGPT can help create a personalized investment strategy for you. You put in your goals, whether you're a high roller or a cautious saver, and ChatGPT will spit out tailored strategies that suit your style. Value investing? Check. Growth investing? Check. Dividend strategies? You betcha. Lastly, ChatGPT isn't just about the upside. It can help you protect your downside too. Whether it's setting stop-loss orders or explaining tax-efficient investing, you can count on it to keep your hard-earned gains where they belong, in your pocket. All right, future millionaires. That's how ChatGPT can transform your investing game. If you enjoyed this video, hit that like button, smash subscribe, and ring that bell, because you won't want to miss what's coming next. Now go out there and make some money, AI style. See you next time.